Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Joji's Can't Get Over You on guitar. First, grab your capo and place it on the second fret of your guitar. This essential step makes the song much more accessible, allowing you to use simpler chord shapes while still sounding in the correct key. Make sure your capo is positioned just behind the fret wire and is tight enough to prevent any unwanted buzzing sounds. Next, let's learn the four core chords for this song: C major, A minor, E minor, and G major. These are common open chords, perfect for beginners. Focus on forming each shape cleanly, ensuring every string rings out without any muted notes. Practice transitioning slowly between C and M, then M and G, building muscle memory for a seamless flow. Now let's tackle the strumming pattern. A great rhythm for this song is down, up, mute, down, down, up. The mute, indicated by an asterisk, means you lightly touch the strings to stop their vibration, creating a percussive sound. Practice this pattern slowly, focusing on keeping a steady tempo and a relaxed wrist. This rhythm adds a distinctive feel to the song. Finally, let's put it all together. Begin by playing the chord progression C, M, M, G with the strumming pattern for the verse and chorus sections. Don't rush. Start at a slow, comfortable pace and gradually increase your speed as you gain confidence. A fantastic way to improve is to play along with the original Joji track, helping you lock into the song's feel and timing. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing it smoothly in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.